Maldives.
Yeah.
Behind the images of paradise, of luxury tourism,
Yeah.
is the question about what to do with rubbish. I'm here on an artificial island, reclaimed land made of rubbish. Tilafusi is the name. It also has some light industry here, but essentially it's how Maldives deal with waste management. In small island developing states, there's hardly any land by definition. So what can we do about rubbish? It's an issue that tourists don't really think about. They come and enjoy their holidays, use the resources, and then they depart. And they have a very unique solution. There's an island called Tilafusi, and it is not far from the capital island of Male. And it is an industrial island, but basically a waste management area or rubbish tip. Sometimes it's called Rubbish Island in slang. Tourists that come to Maldives are producing about 3.5 of rubbish per day, and this has to be dealt with. It's estimated that most of the rubbish is coming from Mali, but the tourists are using a disproportionate amount of rubbish compared to the local community. When you have large countries, of course, they have separate areas that can be away from the population. And this is creatively what Maldives are doing here, dedicating an island where the rubbish can be. But the island's not just a rubbish tip. I drove past some other industrial businesses and some residential accommodation as well. So people are living here, and some people are questioning whether this is the impact of the environment. So it's estimated that 31,000 truckloads of rubbish come annually to Tilafusi. Per day, it's about 330 tons. Here are some rubbish being packed, and this is exported to another island. So this island is getting full. Rubbish is used as to reclaim the land, and so it's a growing problem. As more tourists come, more rubbish is coming. So the concern is not just household rubbish is coming here, but also industrial waste. Things like lead, used car batteries, other asbestos, other toxic materials, and these can leach into the water. There was a case a few years ago where some impatient boat captains wanted to just unload their rubbish quickly, and some of the rubbish went into the sea, leached into the sea, and this of course causes more environmental damage. There was also some discussion about whether some of the rubbish could be exported. There was a possibility of an Indian company taking the rubbish away, but this fell through.